Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Planters Cheese Balls is probably one of the most iconic and beloved snack options available, offering a unique and satisfying crunch with an intensely cheesy flavor that has captivated taste buds for generations, making them a go-to choice for parties, movie nights, or simply satisfying those savory cravings with their unmistakable taste and texture. Number 5. Planters Deluxe Salted Whole Cashews. Introducing Planters Deluxe Salted Whole Cashews, a premium snack perfect for any occasion. Enjoy the rich, roasted cashew flavor enhanced with sea salt. These cashews are ideal for your next gathering, serving as a crowd-pleasing party snack. They offer a satisfying crunch and delicious taste that everyone will love. Looking for a healthy option? They provide plant-based protein to keep you energized. It's a smart choice for a quick and nutritious bite. Perfect for adults needing a quick snack or for kids after school. These roasted cashews are conveniently ready to enjoy anytime, anywhere. Experience the classic, delightful taste of roasted cashews seasoned perfectly with sea salt. This flavor combination is simply irresistible. This large canister ensures you have plenty to share or to keep on hand for frequent snacking. It's a great value for a bulk nut option. Our cashews are kosher certified, meeting specific dietary standards. You can enjoy this delicious snack with confidence. What we like. These are premium whole cashews, roasted to perfection with sea salt. They offer a good source of plant-based protein. If you are looking for a sophisticated snack that is both satisfying and provides a nutritional boost, these are an excellent choice for adults and a great alternative to traditional party snacks. What people say. These are a classic snack that are always a hit. The cheese balls are perfectly seasoned and have a great crunch. They are a great addition to any party or gathering. Number 4. ShapedIceMolds 3D Skull Ice Mold Tray. Elevate your favorite spirits with our unique ice mold. It creates large skull ice cubes that melt slowly, preserving the full flavor of your drink. Add a touch of sophistication to your parties and gatherings. These durable silicone molds create impressive, slow-melting cubes perfect for any occasion. Crafted from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, our molds are safe and built to last. They are leak-free, microwave, oven, and dishwasher safe for your convenience. Unleash your creativity beyond beverages. Use these versatile molds for crafting soaps, chocolates, candles, and more, adding a unique touch to your projects. Surprise the whiskey lover, bartender, or DIY enthusiast in your life. It's an ideal gift for holidays, birthdays, or just because. What we like. These large skull ice molds create unique, slow-melting cubes. They are made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone. If you are a whiskey aficionado or a home bar enthusiast looking to elevate your drink presentation, these molds are perfect for adding a touch of flair to your beverages. What people say. The cheese balls are a classic snack that many people enjoy. They have a satisfying crunch and a rich cheese flavor. Planters cheese balls are a great option for parties or movie nights. Number 3. Back to the Roots Organic Mini Mushroom Grow Kit. Discover the joy of growing your own delicious oyster mushrooms right in your kitchen. This kit makes it incredibly simple to start your own indoor garden. Enjoy fresh mushrooms, knowing they are grown from 100% organic and non-GMO ingredients. You can feel good about what you're growing and eating. Experience the magic of rapid growth. With just a little water and indirect light, you can harvest your own gourmet mushrooms in as little as 10 days. No green thumb needed. This kit is designed for ultimate convenience, allowing you to grow fresh produce indoors no matter the season. Just spray daily and watch them grow. Looking for a unique and thoughtful gift? This grow kit is beautifully packaged and makes an ideal present for foodies, gardeners, and eco-conscious loved ones. We're confident you'll love growing your own mushrooms. It's made in the USA and comes with a guarantee to grow, ensuring your success. What we like. This is an organic and non-GMO mushroom grow kit that allows you to harvest gourmet oyster mushrooms in just 10 days. It's a convenient and easy indoor gardening experience. If you are a foodie, garden lover, or eco-conscious individual looking for a fun and rewarding way to grow your own fresh ingredients, this kit is an ideal choice. What people say. These cheese balls are a fantastic snack option, offering a satisfying crunch with every bite. The cheese flavor is rich and authentic, making them a delightful treat for any cheese lover. Planters cheese balls are perfectly seasoned, providing a balanced taste that isn't too salty. Number 2. Utz Cheese Balls Barrel. Introducing the Utz Cheese Balls Barrel, a delightful snack perfect for any occasion. Enjoy the irresistible taste of real cheddar cheese in every bite. These cheese balls are baked to perfection, using only real cheddar cheese for an authentic and satisfying flavor. You can taste the quality in every poppable ball. Make your next party a hit with these delightfully poppable snacks. They are the perfect shareable treat that everyone will love. Enjoy a snack that fits your lifestyle. These cheese balls are free from gluten, cholesterol, and trans fat, making them a guilt-free indulgence. Our cheese balls are kosher certified, ensuring they meet strict dietary standards. You can feel confident serving them to family and friends. This large 36.5-ounce barrel ensures you have plenty to go around. It's the perfect size for gatherings or for keeping your pantry stocked with your favorite snack. What we like. These cheese balls are baked with real cheddar cheese and are gluten-free, cholesterol-free, and trans fat-free. They come in a large barrel size, perfect for gatherings. If you're hosting a party or looking for a crowd-pleasing, classic cheesy snack that caters to dietary considerations, this is a fantastic option for sharing. What people say. The cheese balls are a delicious snack. They have a satisfying crunch. The cheese flavor is rich and authentic. Number 1. Utz Cheese Balls, 35 ounces. Get ready for a snacking experience like no other. These are the classic cheese balls you know and love, now in a giant 35-ounce size. With a massive 35 ounces of cheesy goodness, there's more than enough to share, or not. Enjoy the bold, unmistakable flavor in every bite. Planning a party or a get-together. These large cheese balls are the perfect crowd pleaser. They're sure to be a hit with everyone. Experience the iconic taste that has made Utz a household name. These cheese balls deliver that satisfying crunch and cheesy flavor you crave. Get more of what you love with this 35-ounce canister. It's the best way to stock up and ensure you always have your favorite snack on hand. Don't miss out on this jumbo size of deliciousness. Pick up your Utz cheese balls today and elevate your snacking game. What we like. This is a large-sized bag of classic cheese balls with a delightful, poppable texture. They deliver a satisfying cheesy taste that's perfect for snacking. If you're craving a straightforward, delicious, and abundant cheesy snack for casual munching or to have on hand for spontaneous cravings, this is a go-to choice. What people say. These are a great snack. They are delicious and addictive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.